Hello Wayne, it's Mark Perrigan here, shooting a video for you on this 1998 Toyota Tacoma Extra Cab. It's going to be a conditional video for you to show you what kind of shape it's in. Vehicle is in really good condition. Here's a shot of the engine compartment for you. Got a little bit of clouding on the headlamps. A small dent on the chrome part of the bumper and a scratch on the plastic part. Lower portion of the bumper looks excellent. A shot of the tires and wheels. There is some looks like a little bit of corrosion on the wheels. Not bad though. There's a scratch on the driver's door. Some light scratches near the handle. I don't really see any dings or anything looking down the driver's side. There's some discoloration up here on the dash right in front of the steering wheel. Hood looks great, as does the top. Going down the driver's side, camper shell looks good. Some light scratches on the fender flare. Again, tire condition of the left rear wheel. Give you a shot under the wheel well. Around to the back, there's a small dent and some surface rust on the back bumper. Give you an idea where that is there. Some small dings from opening and closing the rear tailgate. Inside you've got a spray-in, I'm sorry, not a spray-in, but a drop-in bed liner. Rear tail lights look good. Down the right side or passenger side, there's some small dings. A couple there. I don't know if you can even see them. Tire condition of the right rear and the wheel. And the rest of the right side looks pretty good. Some really light surface scratches. Front right tire and wheel. Inside we go. Interior looks excellent. Under the floor mat, carpet looks good. Seat bolster, excellent. Not a lot of signs of wear there. Seats look really good. There are additional photographs on the website as well that will show these. Into the back, it's got the jump seats, which also look to be in excellent condition. Some scratches on the back wall, on the plastic on the back wall. But the premium cloth fabric looks excellent. Aftermarket stereo. Give you a shot of the headliner here. Hopefully you can see this okay. And it looks good as well. I'm going to run around to the driver's side. Driver door also looks excellent. Under the mat. The driver's seat has a couple of small, like small burn holes, but there is no odor of cigarettes at all. I'm not smelling any smoke odor at all. I've got a pretty sensitive nose. There's one on the back of the seat. Rear carpet. Well, there you have it, Wayne. I'm going to get this video into Lauren, have her upload it, get it over to you. She will follow up with a phone call, make sure you got it okay and we're able to open and view it. Again, my name is Mark Perigin. Thanks for looking.